Hello, my name is Ashlee Norman. I'm a hairstylist, independent educator, mother of 3, and K18 Global Ambassador. Today we're here with my client.
Hi, I'm Madison.
All right, Madison, so what brings you in today?
I've never dyed my hair before and I don't plan on doing it anytime soon, but I have noticed that my hair does get a little brassy, and every time I use purple shampoo, it kind of dries it out. So yeah, I'm looking to lift the brassiness and kind of get rid of those yellow tones while also moisturizing it at the same time.
This is your virgin hair then?
Yes, it is.
Wow, you are very blessed. Tell me about your lifestyle.
So I do go to the beach a lot, which also dries out my hair. I love to swim in the pool also, which makes my hair a little green sometimes from the chlorine.
So fun fact about chlorine is that your hair is not actually turning green. It's the metals and minerals on your hair that are oxidizing and turning green. I'm gonna introduce you to the brand new K18 TripleBright Oxidation Defense Purple Shampoo. So what we're gonna do is actually remove the metals and minerals. Then it's gonna neutralize existing warm tones with precision violet technology, at the same time defending against that future attachment. So we're gonna start with your shampoo. This is the K18 TripleBright Oxidation Defense Purple Shampoo. Now you can leave this on the hair for 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the level of intensity you want the tone. It's looking really nice. So our last step that we're gonna do is the K18 Molecular Repair Mask. This is actually going to treat the inner strength of your hair on top of creating smooth and softness. Make sure once you fully apply this to wait for 4 minutes. After that, you can put any additional products you want over the top. All right, let's go ahead and take you back, Madison, to the styling station, and we'll get you blown out. All right, Madison, what do you think?
I am so impressed by the TripleBright. I feel like it tackled all of my hair problems in one. My hair is so much healthier, toned, and shinier. I love it so much.
Yeah, this tone on you is gorgeous.
Thank you.
So all you have to do to maintain this is use the TripleBright Purple Shampoo once a week, and this is gonna be perfect for your lifestyle.
I love it.
I'm so glad that you love your hair. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.